In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI to present financial data and charts. I'll start by clicking the Create New AI button on my dashboard. From the available options, I select Generate to build a presentation from a simple prompt. I make sure to select Presentation and then adjust the length to 6 cards to keep the report concise. Now, I'll type in my specific prompt, asking for a Q3 financial report for investors that includes revenue growth, expense breakdowns, and EBITDA with a professional tone. I click Generate Outline and review the AI suggested structure. It looks perfect, covering everything from profitability to strategic investments. To give the deck the right look, I scroll down to customize the settings, setting the text to concise, selecting the chocolate theme, and choosing the illustration image style. After clicking Generate, the AI begins crafting the slides in real time, populating them with professional text, data summaries, and relevant graphics. Once the generation is finished, I can now edit and start changing the content and images if I want, or even add more slides. I'll go ahead and delete a card I don't need to keep things clean. The sidebar on the right allows me to add even more elements like smart layouts, interactive charts, or videos whenever I need them. Finally, I click Present to review the finished product in full screen mode, ensuring the financial visualizations and layouts are polished and ready for an audience. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI to present financial data and charts.